total deployment of police officers, we will be having about 16,000, which will include 12 companies of CAPF. Already, as per the Election Commission of India guidelines, the enforcement drive with regard to seizure of cash, we have already crossed 20 crore and above. Similarly, 4,500 plus weapons have been deposited, 800 NBWs have been executed, and we are fully confident that election will be absolutely incident-free. We look forward for a heavy turnout, and through your channel I appeal to all the citizens of Hyderabad that they should come out of house and exercise their right, voting right, and see that the percentage of poll is high. I take this opportunity to particularly appeal all the young boys and girls, those who have attained the age of 18 recently and who would be eligible to vote for the first time. It is this strength at the hand of each and every citizen which makes the country strong, which makes the democracy strong. On this occasion, I would like to thank all my colleague officers, each and every Home Guard officers, constable officers, and all the officers who have been working round the clock for the last 40 days or so, that in the next 2-3 days we are reaching the climax, and this is the time when we have to give our best. I assure the common public that we are there to help you at any incidents, at any place. If you find any difficulty, we are there to assist you. Talk to the officer who is nearest to your location, or you can call dial 100. Thank you so much.
Sir, any specific